Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Okay, thank you very much for doing that and supporting this channel. Without further ado, let's start. So we're going to do some conditionals: if, else if and else. So I'm going to create a subroutine called numbers. And just separate that, so print enter number 1. Okay, so we're going to do my scalar num1 is going to be equal to standard input chump scalar number 1. Okay, so that's the first one that goes in, and now we're going to do number 2. So my scalar num2 is equal to standard input, so the user types in their number into there, chumped scalar num2. Okay, right, so the user has entered number 1 and number 2, and we're going to compare these numbers and see if they're the same. So we're going to start off with the first if statement. So if scalar num1 is equal to scalar num2, we're going to print that out to the user. Let's just tidy that up a little bit. So print, of course, both numbers are the same. Okay, and then we're going to do the else if. Else if scalar number 1 is less than scalar number 2, we're going to tell the user that as well. So print number 1 is less than number 2. Okay, and then we're going to do another else if. That's going to be scalar number 1 is greater than scalar number 2. We're going to tell the user that as well. So print number 1 number 1 is greater than number 2. Okay, new line there. And just to finish off, we're going to use an else. So if anything else happens, and we're just going to print a generic error message here, something along the lines of let's see, print invalid entry. Okay. Right, now all we have to do is call this, and we'll call it by its name, and the function name here is numbers. Okay, now just save that and let's run the program. Okay, so enter number 1, so I'm going to enter 5. Okay, a little bit of a problem here. Okay, not so much as a problem, it's just something I forgot to do there. So let's just click this off first, wherever it's gone. Let's just click that off there. It's just something I forgot to do here. So I printed enter number 1 and I forgot to do that under there. So let's finish that off. And job's a good one, as they say. Enter number 2. Okay, let's go for that then. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, so enter number 1, so I'm going to enter 5 here. I'm going to enter another 5. Okay, so it tells me both numbers are the same. Yes. Okay, so let's run it again. So I'm going to enter let's say 1. I'm going to enter 5 here. So number 1 is less than number 2. Okay, let's run it again. I'm going to put 100 in here, and I'm going to put 7 in here. So number 1 is greater than number 2. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.